क्या आप उन लोगों में से हैं जो वेट लूज करना तो चाहते हैं लेकिन ना आपके पास डाइट फॉलो करने का पेशेंस है और ना ही जिम जाने की इच्छा? अगर हाँ, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं उन 11 हैक्स की जिससे आपको ना कोई स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट फॉलो करना पड़ेगा और ना ही आपको कोई एक्सपेंसिव जिम मेंबरशिप लेनी पड़ेगी। लेकिन इन 11 हैक्स को अगर आप आपके डेली रूटीन में इंक्लूड करते हो तो डेफिनेटली आप महीने में 4 से 5 किलो वजन तो कम कर ही लोगे। अगर आप जानना चाहते हो कि वो 11 हैक्स क्या है तो सबसे पहले हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जहाँ पे हम मेडिकली अप्रूव और साइंटिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन देते रहते हैं अबाउट हेल्थ, वेट लॉस, हॉर्मोन्स एंड मच मोर। तो चलिए आज के वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। मैं हूँ डॉक्टर रश्मि शाह, फिटनेस एंड न्यूट्रिशन स्पेशलिस्ट, हार्मोनल हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट एंड लाइफस्टाइल इम्प्रूवमेंट कोच। तो चलिए आज के वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं विद दोस पावरफुल 11 hacks which will help you to lose weight, get your dream body, and that too without diet and without any supplement and any gym membership। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। Hack number 1, note down everything you eat, every single thing you eat in a day. Take a pen and paper, divide it in two parts. On left side, you will write about all the healthy food or homemade food you eat. You can write it either in blue pen or green pen too. On right side of the paper, you can write what unhealthy food or junk food or restaurant or street food you eat. You can write it in red pen also. At the end of the day, mention the total numbers of healthy items you eat versus unhealthy items you eat. Just review and go through it once before you go to bed every day. This will help you to become aware about what you eat and what you should not eat. Hack number 2, delete everything which you have written under the unhealthy column in the activity 1. Once you are done with the earlier activity, start removing or avoiding unhealthy food from your diet. Replace it with healthy food like fruits, nuts, salads, coconut water, or anything homemade snacks. You can include homemade healthy snacks, homemade laddus, or anything like makhana, peanuts, roasted chana, or homemade chivda works too. Hack number 3, observe how much artificial sugar you are consuming and how much packaged, ready to eat, and processed food you eat every single day. Observe how much processed and added sugar you consume in a day. For example, packaged fruit juices, cakes, ice creams, desserts, milkshakes, mithai, biscuits, etc. This is not just piling up the calories in your body but increasing obesity, belly fat, and in longer run increasing the risk of diabetes and heart diseases. Remove this from your daily eating now. Hack number 4, every single day indulge yourself in 1 hour of physical activity which you really love to do. It can be anything from walk, jog, swimming, playing a sport, or dance, or anything. But make sure you are not doing it forcefully. You should love that physical activity, what you are doing every single day, only for 1 hour. If you love to go to gym, you can do that too. Hack number 5, drink at least 4 liters of water every single day. Drink at least 4 liters of water every single day. Keep a 1 liter bottle with you always whenever you are working, watching TV, cooking meals, or just sitting and chatting with your friends. Keep sipping up water and fill your tummy 50% with water. This will help you to curb the unhealthy cravings and hydrate your body and improve overall health. Hack number 6, eat gluten only in breakfast, not other meals. Eat gluten only in one meal, that is only in breakfast. Gluten increases your belly fat by disturbing insulin function. So keep it in only one meal, and that is breakfast. And remember, no gluten, roti or chapati in lunch or dinner. Hack number 7, Include millets instead of gluten in your lunch, like jowar, bajri, ragi, proso millet, barnyard millet, and there are many more available in the market. There are many more millets available in the market. If you want to eat rice, then you can eat it in lunch. This will help you to stabilize your blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity and help in losing belly fat. Hack number 8. Keep your dinner totally grain free. The more grain you eat in dinner, like wheat, rice, jowar, it is going to make you more bloated, more lethargic, and also it is going to disturb the digestion. If you want to wake up fresh the next day with flatter belly, no bloating, no lethargy, then avoid all types of grains in dinner. At the same time, it does make tough to lose weight. So what you can have in dinner, you can replace your grains with any type of dal. You can have veggies, you can have chilas, you can have dal ka dosas, and anything which is made up of dal, but no grains in dinner at all. Hack number 9. Make protein your staple food instead of carbohydrates. Food. In our Indian food culture, protein has been given very less importance compared to carbohydrates. In today's scenario, we are sitting more and moving less. So, eating more carbohydrates against less physical activity is increasing the obesity rate every single day. So, decrease your carbohydrate intake like roti, rice, poha, upma, bread, etc. by 40% and increase your protein content like eggs, paneer, sprouts, dal, curd, chicken, fish by 40%. It will help you to lose fats, gain muscles and build a good physique. Hack number 10. All your 3 main meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, should have 50% of veggies, maybe in form of sabzis or salads. I have seen many people eating less or no veggies at all. Veggies are packed with fibers, minerals and essential vitamins, and they are extremely necessary for you to be healthy inside out. You can include them in form of low oil sabzis, salads, vegetable juices, and you can add it to your parathas or rice or dosas and chilas too. Hack number 11. Last but not the least, take complete 7 to 8 hours sleep. Decrease your night screen time and increase your sleep time. This will help you to balance your hormones, increase metabolism and lose weight and lose belly faster. Try following these hacks for at least 1 month and you will see a huge difference in your overall health. Do share your progress with us. Rather than getting on any strict diet which you are unable to follow or doing any heavy exercises and taking artificial supplements, being mindful and aware is much more important. सो इसी तरह की साइंटिफिक एंड मेडिकली अप्रूव्ड इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड लेट अस नो योर प्रोग्रेस इन द कमेंट्स.